Hi teacher, I'm Guillermo Rosadio. I'm going to make the experiment of galvanic and electrolysis. For this experiment, we need the materials about the glass, two pencils, a paperboard with two slides, salt, and a battery with crocodiles. First, you have to put water on the glass. Second one, put the salt. Then, with the paperboard, put the two pencils. And finally, you have to put the cocoa ice with the pencils. You have to wait to see the reaction of the water. Experiment we demonstrate the electrolysis of water, the decomposition of water into hydrogen and oxygen gas due to an electrical current being passed through the water. So we can see the lead attached to the positive terminal of the battery acts as an anode, and the lead attached to the negative terminal of the battery acts as cathode. The bubbles formed around the anode are of oxygen gas, and the bubbles formed around the cathode are of hydrogen gas. Hi teacher, now I want to explain the galvanic cell. I mean that this experiment on the left we see an bars of zinc that act like an anode, and on the right we can see a cathode, a bar of copper that act like a cathode. On the middle we see like a bridge of sodium chloride, and the anode and the cathode are connected, and there pass electrons. On experiments, we see like the zinc is an active metal, and he lost electrons and it oxide. And the cathode is he gained electrons and it reduced. So that's the experiment how the electrons travel around, because an active metal and a metal, a cathode that he gained electrons. We can see like in the final of the in the final uh, in the final process of the experiment. This is the overall equation, how the copper and zinc, the zinc is he lost uh, he lost electrons, and the copper gains that electrons. That's the equation, and that's the explanation of the experiment of galvanic cells.